Cadillac SRX sunroof curtain installation tutorial. Step E. After getting the sunroof curtain, straighten the curtain at both ends to check if there are any wrinkles. Step 2. Insert one end of the curtain into the base of the sunroof and fasten the bolts on the other end. Make sure it is firmly in place. Step 3. After the bolts are tightened, tear off the pull ring on the other side. Step 4. Pull out the roller blind and install the white buckles on the left rear side. Step 5. Insert the buckle and roller blind into the track groove together. Make sure they are firmly in place, otherwise they will easily come loose. Same installation method for left and right. Step 6. Install the upper cover, align it, and then install the bolts on both sides. Step 7. After installing the cover, power on the motor, retract the roller shutter first, pull it back to the bottom, and then tidy up both sides. The last step, test back and forth repeatedly to make sure the roller blind is not wrinkled or falling off. This way the installation is perfect.
Leading manufacturer of sunroof auto parts.